Assalamualaikum guys. Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way to remove duplicate data in Excel and keep your spreadsheet clean and organized. Let's get started. I will show you two ways using a formula and VBA code. First, I want to show you in column A and B, you will see there are more duplicate. All right, so I want to show you how you can remove your duplicate in a second. First of all, I will use a formula, a unique formula. So I want this column A until C clear, no more duplicates. All right, I press enter, and now you can see there are no duplicate. All right, there you go. And now I want to show you a second way how you can remove your duplicate. So first, I will clear this column, and this is my VBA code, and this is my button. So if I press this button, all the duplicate in column A and B, C will be removed. And now I press, all the duplicate is all gone. There you go guys. That's all my video for today. Hope you guys enjoy.